Hi, Jeff Brown just recently joined Kineto as President and CEO, and we wanted to give you an opportunity to get to know Jeff in person. Jeff, welcome.
Thanks.
Hey, Kineto's technology is one of the driving forces behind FMC. So what's your strategic vision for the company moving forward?
Well, I think first off, Kineto's got a great base of technology and customers already out there. When I look at the strategic vision for the company, it's really taking the solutions that Kineto's already had and amplifying those as you go forward. Things like licensed spectrum, unlicensed spectrum, and the ability to take traffic and move that from the customer out to the network in the most efficient manner possible. That's the key to this going forward.
Great. How do you think your overall previous leadership experience will support Kineto's business strategy and their overall vision in the marketplace?
Well, I think I'm lucky enough to have worked in startups before and in companies that are clearly in the FMC area, but as well as I've worked for operators, and I think part of the job of anybody in this position is to look and say, what is it that the operator has to solve? Clearly we see customer issues out there, from coverage in homes, capacity in the network, all those kind of things. So taking into account what the customer needs to do, and then how can a nimble, small, fast, exciting company like Kineto provide a solution that can really deliver that, if you will, from both a strategic, a technical, and a business standpoint. That's the job, and I think I've got enough of the background components to be able to help architect those kind of solutions.
Excellent. Sounds good. Hey, one last question. From your perspective, what do you think the key trends that you're seeing in the marketplace that are taking off, and why are those significant?
Well, as we talked a little bit earlier about the idea of all this data being generated out there, and that's, I think, is a big thing. Where the industry started with voice-centric services, and we're now seeing lots of data-centric services. Voice is still very key. So in things like our Volga effort, where we're working on voice over LTE, that's an important part of it, because we're solving a voice problem for them and letting a customer use something I already have or reuse something I already have, which I think is a terrific thing, and as an operator is an important thing. The other trends you see, again, are more and more people using more and more data, really, congesting networks in a lot of cases, and our solution, femtocells, unlicensed access, however that is, we can help solve the problem for those operators in providing the best quality service for those customers.
Well, it does sound exciting. I think we're off to a good start here. Welcome aboard. We look forward to some great things.
Thanks, Steve.
Great, thanks.